Hi, today I'm for the NAVITEL Top and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first open the control panel and just to add here some options or to remove some of them or just to change the positions of the icons here, click here to this edit icon and scroll down. Here you'll see all of the invisible options which we can add to our panel. So for example, just to add the alarm, hold it and drag it to this up section. By this way we can add here more applications. To remove some of them, by the same way, hold the icon and drag it to the down. And to change the positions of the icons, we should just hold it and drag it by the same way. Then just click to go back and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.